Have you ever read a news article about an amazing scientific discovery? Maybe a new treatment, a breakthrough in physics, or a solution for climate change. That discovery didn't just appear online. Before it reached you, it passed through a secret checkpoint, a silent, unpaid, and often thankless quality control system. That system is peer review, and the people who make it work? They're the invisible heroes of science. Welcome to Peer Review Pulse. I'm your name. Over this series, we're going to pull back the curtain. We'll strengthen your skills as a reviewer and champion the incredible contribution reviewers make. Whether you're a seasoned researcher, a PhD student, or just curious about how knowledge is built, you're in the right place. Let's start with the big picture. What exactly is peer review? At its core, it's a simple but powerful idea. When a researcher wants to publish their work, other experts in the same field, their peers, are invited to evaluate it. They check for validity, significance, originality, and clarity. Think of it not as a gate, but as a scaffolding. The goal isn't to tear down a building, but to help the author construct a stronger, safer, more reliable one. So why does this matter to you? Reason 1. It's the foundation of trust. When you see a peer-reviewed article, you're not just taking one author's word for it. You're trusting a process where experts have asked tough questions, checked the methods, and said, yes, this is credible. It separates solid science from mere opinion. Reason 2. It's a collaborative dialogue, not a courtroom. Here's a mindset shift. A review is not a verdict from a judge. It is a conversation between experts dedicated to the same goal, advancing the best possible knowledge. You're offering your expertise to help a fellow traveler on the road of discovery. Reason 3. You become a guardian of your field. As a reviewer, you help steer your field. You ensure high standards, you help spot errors, and you can champion innovative work that deserves a spotlight. You are actively shaping the literature you will later read and cite. But let's be real, peer review is often invisible. It happens behind closed editorial doors. Reviewers spend hours of deep, critical work, and usually the only person who ever sees their name is the journal editor. That ends here. We need to recognize this contribution. Reviewing is scholarship. It is an essential academic act, as important as writing or experimenting. Reviewing is a skill, and like any skill, it can be learned, practiced, and mastered. That's what this channel is for. Reviewers deserve credit. Formal or informal, we need to say thank you and value this labor. So, over the next 999 lectures, we'll dive into the how. How to write a review that's constructive, not crushing. How to structure your feedback, how to spot statistical flaws or ethical issues, how to manage your time. And we'll celebrate the best practices and tools that are making peer review better, fairer, and more transparent. Your action step for this week. The next time you read a journal article, pause for a moment. Look at the acknowledgement section or the published reviewer comments. Remember the invisible heroes who helped make that paper what it is. Acknowledge the scaffolding. Thank you for joining the conversation. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to build your reviewing skills with us.